Today what we have here is something called a rear seat fan, and here's everything you need to know about this cool car accessory, like what it is, the design, the good, the bad, and all the installation tips. So the idea is this: when your car gets extremely hot, especially for the passengers sitting in the back seats, and maybe your AC isn't working properly or your car doesn't have rear AC vents, this fan hooks onto your car headrest and connects to the cigarette lighter port to get power. And once connected, you can switch it on using this control button. So you press once to turn it on, press again to switch to speed 2, press the third time to go to the highest speed, and then the fourth time to turn it off. And when not in use, you can simply fold it under the headrest where it stays hidden. Now let's take a look at its design. This fan is made of entirely plastic. It comes in black with yellow fan blades. The fan head can rotate up to 90 degrees, allowing it to face you when in use. When not in use, you can simply rotate it back and tuck it neatly under the headrest. For the power part, it comes with 2 cable options. You can choose either a cigarette lighter cable or a USB cable. Personally, I prefer the USB option. This is because it allows you to use the fan both in the car and with other USB powered devices. For example, you can simply plug it into a laptop or a smartphone adapter. This means that it works not only as a headrest fan, but also as a portable fan. 2 birds, 1 stone. Installing it is very simple. Just push it onto the headrest and it clips into place. To remove it, simply pull it off. No screws are needed, just a simple push and pull mechanism. Design aside, what's good, what's bad about this fan? The best thing about this fan is that it actually works. Despite its small size, it delivers airflow exactly as expected. It's a simple plug and play setup. No wiring, no screws, no complications. The 3-speed option is also a big plus. You can adjust the speed depending on who is using it. Speed 1 is ideal for a baby in the back seat. Speed 3 works well for an adult on a very hot day. Another advantage is how discreet it is. Once installed, most people won't even notice it's there. It's small enough to stay hidden under the headrest, yet powerful enough to cool the back seat area. But on the bad side, one common complaint is that the cable is a bit short. However, this is understandable. Manufacturers usually avoid long cables to prevent safety issues or messy interiors, and hanging cables around the seats wouldn't look good at all. And then number 2, this fan is clearly designed for rear seats only. It's clearly indicated on the box that it's a rear seat fan. So if you want to use it in the front, it's not very convenient. You'd have to face it from the opposite seat or hold it by hand. And then 3, each fan has its own power cable, meaning that if you install 4 fans, that means you'll have 4 different cables to manage. It would have been better if one fan could power the others. That way, only one fan would connect to the car and the rest would draw power from it. And here are 2 useful installation tips that you can put in mind. So number 1 is try to keep the cables hidden to maintain a clean and organized interior. And then number 2, instead of using USB charger in the cigarette lighter port, you can ask a technician to connect the fans directly to the car's power system. And in that way, you will maintain an organized interior, and then you reserve the cigarette lighter port for other accessories. And that's all about this car rear seat fan. Let me know in the comments if you've used it before and what your experience was. And don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this. Bless.